Hi, God's beautiful people. So today we are making two very healthy snacks that you can have for breakfast or as a snack. So before then, I want to take this time to appreciate everyone who has been watching our content, those who have been sharing, those who have subscribed. We don't take it for granted. You encourage us to continue giving you more content. So these are sweet potatoes chips that are oven baked. This is a very good snack for you, for your family, and even for kids. It's a healthy snack that you can introduce to your kids, and it is very easy to make. So, as you can see there, it looks so nice. It is very sweet, very yummy. I bet you can try this out. We also made njugu karanga in the oven. Yeah, it's an easier way to do your njugu. I don't know, kukanga na pan, it needs more time. You need to be there, you keep on turning. But if you have an oven, this is the easiest way to do them. If you enjoy our content, kindly don't forget to subscribe. We appreciate you so much. Thank you for coming back again to watch us. That means a lot for us. Let's get into the video. So we start by peeling the potatoes. Then cut your potatoes into chips form or wedges if you like. As we continue with the preparation part, we need to preheat our oven for 10 minutes at around 200 degrees. You can do between 180 to 200. That is okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut our sweet potatoes. If you have a baking paper, you can go ahead and lay it on the baking tray. On this day, our baking paper was over, so we will oil the baking tray so hazitashikilia chini. For our coating, we will use corn flour, cooking oil, paprika, black pepper, and salt. If you have the original, the fine corn flour, you can use it. But if you don't, you can still use the normal flour. Yeah, ninio, yeah, mahindi. Yeah, it gives it a crunchy feel on the outside, while on the inside it's soft. If you don't want it crunchy outside, it's okay. You can just use whatever spice you like. In this house, we like using paprika and black pepper. So as you can see, they are well coated. So nitazipanga in lines so that when I come to turn them, it gives me easy work. Utajua ni gani na gani ni gani imetaniwa, gani haijataniwa. So and then I will bake them for 15 minutes. Turn, bake them for another like 10 minutes and they will be ready. 15 minutes later, and they're well cooked. They look yummy. We need to turn them now to cook them for a further 10 minutes, and they will be ready. I hope you're enjoying. And just like that, you have something for your breakfast. So this is a very easy meal to make. You just put them in the oven and go do other things. Come back after 15 minutes, turn them for a further 10 minutes, go do your things, come back after they're done, and your snack is ready. Just look how yummy it looks. A very healthy snack for you and your family. I hope you enjoyed. So let's move to the next snack. So just as we did with our previous snack, we will preheat our oven for 10 minutes. But now for this case, we will use between 130 to 160 degrees. So let's move to the cleaning part. Unless uko sure njugu zako ulitoa kwa shamba yako, ama you're sure where they came from, maybe utakaanga hivyo tu. But now that we buy them from the market and we are not sure how many hands have touched them, we have to wash them. Tulizichagua tukatoa zenye ni mbaya. We didn't record that, but you definitely need to do that. Na usikule njugu unasikia kuna zingine ziko na ukali. So we will wash them once and rinse them again to make sure they are clean. Then we marinate with we coat them with salt when they are still wet, ndo chumvi ingie ndani vizuri, zishike chumvi. So we will bake for 15 minutes. Come, switch them and bake them for 15 minutes again. But you need to check them. If they are cooked, you might need to use about 10 minutes. Guys, the goodness in these peanuts, you really need to try this out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We left them to cool for some time before we store them, and we will be able to use them for several days. And by the way, this peanut can really make a very nice peanut butter. So watch out for that video. It's coming up soon. Just stay tuned. Kindly subscribe if you enjoy our content, and we would like to get your feedback, what you think about our videos, and if there's anything you would like us to try out. Thank you so much for watching to the end. We really appreciate. We love you so much. Bye bye. We are out. Peace.